That is open. They did a really good job of taping this up. It shipped very well for how large it is. It comes out like that. All right, see what we got in here. A little bit more something. That's something. A pole, another pole, and 2 more poles. And 2 cross brackets. All right, see what the old instructions say. Instructions say do this, do that, and wrap the thing around the bottom. Then you're done. Oh, it has a cover that goes the whole way over top of it. That's going to be interesting. So let's see what we got in the package. Got a bunch of little end pieces, a little wrench. It looks like we're going to be using hex heads for this. Got some nuts, some washers, and some bolts. Nice. These go on the outside of everything. And there is 2 for each one of them. Very simple. I guess I'll just do this. That goes on the top one. Bottom one doesn't have. So washer like that. They have a washer on the side. And this goes through here like this, on this side. And then this goes like this. Washer through here, like that. And this one. Another washer onto the bolt. Super simple. To the nut. Twisted. There we go. And you like that. And then I'm just going to take all of you guys over to the other side. I am going to use the little wrench that came with it and the Allen hex head, but I'm just going to use this instead of turning it manually. All right, take it back apart. Just a strap on the top. That guy. All right. Ta-da! I do believe this is the base, like that. And start that one there. That's on there, like that. And then your wood sets on there so it doesn't fall through. And you have the cover. The cover just basically goes, I'm trying to do it this way. Handles on the side, down like that. And it has clips at the bottom and also drawstring. Pull it tight. And then I think there is a clip on the bottom. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see what the instructions say. All right. The thing I missed is there are little feet that just go into the bottom. That'll be nice because then you don't have to worry about it getting all corroded, because that would be metal on ground. Wouldn't be good. And I've got these little plastic feet to help with that. So we got a couple of pieces of wood on here just to show you what it's like. And I found that on the sides, there are little handles that help pull it off and on. I'm just going to pull that up like that, and it just slips down over top. And I'm just going to use these to help the little clips at the bottom to help this. And I can go like this and bring that around so that it doesn't fly off. And then I'll tighten them up a little bit. There you go. Nice and safe out of the weather, so your firewood is nice and dry for whenever you need it.